You have a lot of options with us. And if you are coming to Surat, you want to order these collection, we can pick you and drop you. You can order these collection, you can purchase in house. So these all collection are just for you. You can see this mustard yellow color. This is also going to be with a proper flared palazzo with it, belt design with it, and you can see the printing as well. If I talk about the bunch, you are going to get M, L, XL and double XL with it. And if I talk about the dupatta and the bottom wear, you can see the bottom wear, proper fully flared umbrella dupatta. And hello YouTube family, so today I have brought you a very special 3-piece collection, most demanded collection in 2026, Vatican 3-piece collection with the palazzo. You can see the first collection, beautiful hot pink color. And if you want to know the bunch, you are going to get M, L, XL and double XL with it. And if I talk about the bottom wear, you can see the full palazzo bottom wear with it, and you can see the dupatta as well. It is going to be proper 2.5 meter dupatta. So you can tell your customers, you can see this dupatta also, very lightweight, very beautiful and easy to go with summer, because you know summer is arriving. You need something trendy and beautiful collection. You can see this collection as well. You can see this mehendi green color. Along with it, you are going to get this dori pattern with it, belt design with it, and you can see the printing as well. If I talk about the bunch, you are going to get M, L, XL and double XL with it. And if I talk about the dupatta and the bottom wear, you can see the bottom wear, proper fully flared umbrella dupatta and the proper 2.5 meter. You can see the dupatta. It's going to be very nice and beautiful. And if you want to order these collection, you can directly video call us, you can call us, WhatsApp us, and if you are going to WhatsApp us, you are going to get the full catalog of it. And you are watching this video maybe from international borders or internationally from any other country, you can still order these collections sitting at home. So you can see this next collection, very beautiful Vatican fabric, and on the neck you are going to get proper handwork detailing. If you want to see the dummy piece, how it is going to look, you can see this piece, and I am also wearing this piece. You can see how beautiful it's going to be looking. So if you want to order these collection for your customers, if you are working from your home, for your boutique, or you're owning a shop, this collection is just for you. And you can see the number on the screen. You can directly call us, WhatsApp us. You have a lot of options with us. And if you are coming to Surat, you want to order these collection, we can pick you and drop you. You can order these collection, you can purchase in house. So these all collection are just for you. You can see this mustard yellow color. This is also going to be with a proper flared palazzo and again with a proper 2.5 meter dupatta. This is going to be very beautiful. So what are you waiting for? If you want to earn good profit, if you want to own a business, this collection is just for you, because it's going to be under 1000 rupees. Yes, you heard it right, under 1000 rupees. And you are still in the video, you can comment down below from where you're watching this video, because this video is going to be very special for retailers, for homeowners, or you're owning a new business. This video is just for you. You can see this collection. This is also going to be with proper flared palazzo. You can see the palazzo as well, and you can see the dupatta as well. If you want to order these collection, what are you waiting for? I'm saying this again and again, do order now. Last collection is going to be again in the Vatican fabric. You can see this, very beautiful. And if you want to order something in proper flared, you can see this anarkali also. It is going to come with a proper belt along with the proper banarsi dupatta cutlet. Take 2. It is going to come with a proper banarsi dupatta. This is your channel. If you want to order these collection, you want to see more collection, like our channel, comment our channel, subscribe the channel and comment down below from where you're watching this video.